I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. One of you guys suggested that I use gasket material for the discs between the hub and the wheel. You know, you have to put something in there to absorb the load, otherwise you end up with all these little point loads and it causes the stone to crack. So you always want to put paper between the plates and the stone, whether it's a powered grinder or a treadle grinder. They're also the same thing. Anyways, he suggested I put gasket material in there, and I thought it was a good idea. And when I went to look and try and find your name, I can't find it. So, if it was you, you know who you are. You can mention in the comments that it was you. And thank you for the idea. It was a really good one. I went over in the storeroom and got a roll of the old gasket material that I got back there for those times when you just need a gasket and can't buy one. And I'm cutting it out. Next comes paint. A little grinding to do there too. This is an odd little fits-all wrench. I picked up 2 of them, and I had one, I don't know, 20 years ago, and I thought it was a piece of crap. And they really aren't the best thing in the world, but you know, it is kind of interesting that you can use it to fit all kinds of things. It's not as good as having a dedicated set of wrenches, you know, one that actually fits. You don't have to fiddle with to get it on there. But if you only got one wrench, this one would cover a whole lot of different sized bolts.
Use what you got. I wonder I couldn't get the pulley out. Had a broken off drill bit in there. No, it's a screw. Somebody drove a screw in there. Holy cow. What next? I think that's pretty close to perfect. These will act as shoulders for the bearing to go up against, so that the wheel can't drift side to side. The frame will hold these in position. That'll make a nice dead stop for the crank. I'll be able to tighten these down and then cut off the excess. Have the crank arms on there. I think we got it.
If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I rate them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.